The English Alphabet with JB and Jen.
Hey there, welcome to English for the World. Make sure you subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss our future posts. Today we're going to learn the English alphabet from A to Z. Whether you're just starting to learn English or want to practice your pronunciation, this video will help you master the ABCs.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize the 26 letters of the English alphabet from A to Z, distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters, pronounce each letter correctly, and use them in simple examples, names, objects, and spelling. Let's get started.
First of all, what is the alphabet? The English alphabet is a set of 26 letters used to write and read in English. Each letter has a name, a sound, and two forms. For example, this letter is called A, that's the name, and A can sound like
A,
as in apple. As in apple, like all the letters, A has two forms, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letters are also called capital letters because they are big, and lowercase letters are also called small letters, obviously because they are small, compared to capital letters in the same font and font size. What other letters do you know? See full list of letters, capital and small, and their usage. Here is the full list of letters in both forms. From left to right, we have uppercase letters, lowercase letters, example words and illustrations. A
as in apple.
B
B as in ball.
C
C as in cat.
D
D as in dog.
E
E as in elephant.
F
F as in fish.
G
G as in goat.
H
H as in hat.
I
As in ice.
J
J as in juice.
K
K as in kite.
L
L as in lion.
M
M as in monkey.
N
N as in nose.
O
O as in orange.
P
P as in pig.
Q
Q as in queen.
R
R as in rabbit.
S
S as in sun.
T
T as in tiger.
U
U as in umbrella.
V
V as in violin.
W
W as in water.
X
X as in X-ray.
Y
Y as in yellow.
Z
Z as in zebra. Note: the letter Z is pronounced Z in most English-speaking countries, including the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, India, and Ireland. In American English, however, the pronunciation is Z.
Now, to help us memorize all these letters in the correct order, we can sing them. You've probably heard the ABC song already. Do you know your ABCs? Well, let's find out. Sing along, have fun, and we'll be right back.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time watch you sing with me.
Awesome, you're getting it. Now, let's test your alphabet skills with a short quiz. Ready? 1. Which letter comes after G?
H
2. Which letter comes before Q?
P
3. Is this letter uppercase or lowercase?
lowercase.
4. What is the last letter of the alphabet?
Z.
One more thing you should know about the letters of the alphabet is that 5 of them are vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and all the rest are consonants. Now, what about spelling? Can you guys spell your name correctly? Let's say you are telling someone your name, and they ask you to spell it, meaning to say each and every letter in your name in the correct order, especially if they have to write it down. In order to make it easy and clear, for every letter you say, you can also mention one common word that starts with the letter. Let's suppose your name is Washington, you would spell it like this. Jen?
W as in water. A as in apple. S as in sun. H as in hat. I as in ice. N as in nose. G as in goat. T as in tiger. O as in orange. N as in nose.
I've got some practice ideas for you now. Look around you and name objects that start with each letter. Write your name and find which letters it uses. Draw pictures of things that start with A, B, C, etc. Finally, before we go, let's test your ABC skills one more time with a short quiz. Ready? 1. How many letters are there in the English alphabet?
26. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters, ranging from A to Z.
2. Which of the following is a vowel?
E. E is one of the 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U.
3. What is the lowercase form of the letter D?
D. The lowercase is D. Each uppercase letter has a corresponding lowercase version.
4. What comes after the letter L in the alphabet?
M. The letter that comes after L in the alphabet is M. The sequence goes J, K, L, M, N.
5. Which word starts with the letter C?
Cat. The word cat starts with the letter C.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join me next time for more English learning videos. See you soon. Ciao.
Bye.